Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hi there, I'm Emma, and I'm excited to share the fantastic day I had at the beach with my friends. We got to the beach before noon. I heard the waves crashing against the shore, and it made me so happy. I took off my shoes and felt the warm, soft sand under my feet. We decided to build a magnificent sandcastle with nice little towers. To make it extra cool, we decorated it with beautiful seashells. Jake, one of my friends, got creative and made a sandy dragon guarding the sandcastle. Once our sandcastle masterpiece was complete, we decided to have a friendly game of beach volleyball. The sun was shining bright, and the salty breeze made every serve and spike feel amazing. We were all smiles as we played our hearts out, running in the sand. But of course, we had to cool off in the sea. I waded into the water, feeling the gentle waves wash over me. We splashed around and laughed, creating waves of pure joy. We discovered colorful fish swimming among the small rocks and seashells in the shallows. It was like finding a little underwater wonderland. Isabella, one of my friends, was especially excited. We kneeled down to watch the fish swim by, and it felt like a magical moment. After our underwater adventure, we decided to go on a seashell hunt. I grabbed a bucket and started collecting shells of all shapes and colors. Each one was like a tiny treasure from the sea, and I couldn't believe how many we found. As the sun began to set, we gathered around a beach bonfire. We roasted marshmallows for s'mores, and they were so delicious by the warm firelight. We looked up at the stars appearing in the night sky and talked about our favorite moments of the day. When it was time to pack up our beach gear, I couldn't help but smile. It had been a day filled with laughter, adventure, and the sheer beauty of the beach. These memories of our perfect beach day with friends are ones I will always cherish. I hope you enjoyed hearing about our wonderful day at the beach. I look forward to seeing you all next time. If you want to improve your English, here are a few more ideas for you.